Chapter 20A, Exercise 20A, question number 11. The length and the breadth of a rectangle are 36 and 28. Length of rectangle 36 centimeter. Then breadth of rectangle equals to 28 centimeter. Now it is given if the perimeter of rectangle is equals to perimeter of square. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to perimeter of square. Find the side of a square. So first we are having rectangle, so we will find perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, as you know, 2 in bracket L plus B. So 2 into L plus B. L is your length 36, breadth 28. So 2 into 36 plus 28, 64. Then 2 into 64, 128. So perimeter of rectangle is 128 centimeter. Now as per condition, according to question, perimeter of rectangle equals to perimeter of square, which is given in question. So as you know, perimeter of rectangle that we have calculated now is 128 equals to perimeter of square 4 into side. So now we want to know the value of side. So for that we will transpose this 4 to the left hand side. So 128 divided by 4 equals to side. Side equals to 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8. Value of side 32 centimeter. Now side that we have to find, so this is your required answer. Then question number 12. The radius of circle is 21 centimeter. Find circumference. So take pi 3 1 by 7. So first solve this. 3 7 ja 21 plus 1 22. 22 by 7. That means we have to use 22 by 7 in place of pi. So the circumference that we have to find, as you know, circumference C equals to 2 into pi into r. So 2 will be 2, pi 22 by 7 that we have to use into r. R stands for radius, which is 21. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. So 22 into 3, 66 into 2, 132. So your circumference is 132. This is your required answer. Then question number 13. Circumference of circle 440 centimeter. So simply same formula you will use. Circumference equals to 2 into pi into r. Circumference is given to you. 440 equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Radius you have to find in this question. So transpose these two values to the left hand side, solve, you will get radius. Okay, so like this you have to solve question number 13. Then question number 14. The diameter of circular field is 56. So diameter of circular field 28 centimeter, sorry 56 centimeter. Now if diameter is 56, so radius of that circular field will be half of diameter. So half of 56, 28. Now find the circumference. So the same formula you have to use. Circumference equals to 2 into pi into r. So 2 into pi 22 by 7 into r 28. 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28. Then 22 into 4, 88, 88 into 2, 176. So circumference is 176 centimeter. Now the cost of fencing at the rate of cost of fencing that we have to find. So cost is given rupee 80 per meter. Okay, so simply cost of fencing equals to circumference, which is 176, into cost per meter, which is 80. So multiply 176 and 80, you will get your answer. So rupees 14,080, rupees 14,080 is the required cost for the fencing. Clear? Then question number 50. The radii of two circles are 20 and 13. Find the difference between their circumferences. So two cases you are having here. The first radii R1 20 centimeter, then second R2 13 centimeter. Now find the difference between their circumferences. So first find circumference first, C1 equals to 2 into pi into R1. Then find the circumference 2 for the second circle, 2 into pi into R2. Now substitute values here, 2 into 22 by 7 into 20, 2 into 22 by 7 into 13. Now solve this and this. Then whatever you getting from here answer, just subtract this value. Okay, so final answer you will get. So like this you have to solve question number 15. Then question number 16. Diameter is given to you. Diameter of circle is given to you. Find its perimeter. Perimeter of circle is nothing but circumference of that circle. Okay, so if perimeter is given to you, you can find circumference. For finding circumference only you need radius. So 2 pi r. Diameter is 42, so radius is 21. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. 7 1 ja, clear? Then 7 3 ja. 22 into 3 66, 66 into 2 132. So 132 is a centimeter is required perimeter. Then now the perimeter of circle is doubled. Perimeter of circle is doubled. So according to question, the perimeter of circle is 132, now which is doubled. Doubled means what? 264. So 132 into 2 equals to, find the radius. So 2 into pi into r. Now 132 into 2 equals to 2 into 22 by 7. Radius that we have to find. So it will be r. Now transpose this values to the left hand side. So r equals to 132 into 2 on 7. On this side 7 is on denominator, so simply 7 will go on numerator. 7 यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो रहा है तो वहाँ इंटू होगा. ये दोनों ऊपर है, यहाँ पे नीचे आ जाएंगे. This 2 get cancelled. Then 22 1 ja, then 22 6 ja. So finally r equals to 6 7 ja 42. So the new radius is 42 centimeter if we will double the perimeter. Clear? Then question number 17 is very easy, you can solve, no problem. Then question number 18. Find the radius of circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of circumferences of the circles having radius 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Now in this question, let this is your first circle. Then as per question, it is given that find the radius of the circle whose circumference is equal. That means the radius of this circle we have to find. And now this circle is equals to the sum of circumferences of two circles. Clear? So the first circumference of this circle, 2 into pi into r. Okay, equals to circumference of this smaller circle, 2 into pi into r1 plus 2 into pi into r2. Now 2 into pi into r equals to, as you can see in this value and in this value, 2 and pi both are common. So 2 and pi we are taking out into inside. ये 2 और पाई बाहर चले गया तो बचेगा क्या, r1. फिर उसके बाद प्लस ये 2 और पाई बाहर चले गया तो इनसाइड क्या आएगा, r2. नाउ दिस 2 pi get cancelled. Clear? So 2 कैसे कैंसिल होता है मैं बता रहा हूँ. 2 इंटू पाई इंटू आर इक्वल्स टू 2 into pi into r1 plus r2. So radius is 15 and 8. 15 plus 8. So now this 2 get cancelled, pi get cancelled. Only r. 15 plus 8, 23. So this is your required answer. Like this you have to solve. Then question number 19. Find the diameter of circle whose circumference is equals to the sum of circumferences of the circles with radii 10, 12 and 18. सेम क्वेश्चन है इसके जैसा. ठीक है, जैसे मान लो इसी क्वेश्चन में अगर डायमीटर निकालना है तो डायमीटर क्या होगा, कैपिटल डी, और जो ये वैल्यू आई है उसका डबल. ठीक है. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट, 2 पाई आर एज इट इज़ यहीं रहेगा, 2 पाई r1 2 पाई r2 प्लस क्या हो जाएगा 2 पाई r3. देन इन दिनों में से 2 पाई निकल जाएगा, ये क्या बचेगा r1 प्लस r2 प्लस r3. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक और वैल्यू ऐड हो जाएगी. देन ये 2 पाई कैंसिल, r इक्वल्स टू कोई भी एक वैल्यू आएगी. ठीक है, फिर उसका डायमीटर डबल हो जाएगा. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 इज ऑल्सो सेम. द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल इज 8 times द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल विद द रेडियस 12. So just like this one, this circle, okay, is equals to the 8 times of another circle. This circle is equals to the circumference of this circle is equals to the 8 times of circumference of this circle. So let the circumference of this circle is 2 into pi into r equals to 8 times of this circle. So 2 into pi into r. Clear? So now this 2 pi, so 2 into pi into r equals to 8 into 2 into pi. The radius of this circle is given and that is 12. So we will write 12. Now this pi get cancelled, 2 and 2 get cancelled. Only r equals to 8 into 12. So 12 8 ja 96. So now this one 96 is radius. So the diameter that we have to find. So 96 into 2. Clear? 192 centimeter is required diameter for this question. Clear? So like this you have to solve. Question number 21. The radii of two circles are in the ratio 3:5. So let radii is r1 is to r2. So the value of radii is 3:5. Find the ratio between their circumferences. So as you know, circumferences is for this question c1 equals to 2 into pi into r1. Circumference for the first circle. Like this you have to write. Then second, circumference for the second circle. So C2 equals to 2 into pi into R2. Now the ratio we have to find. So for ratio, any question, especially in this exercise, किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर रेशियो आता है तो सिंपली क्वेश्चन रीड कीजिए, देन उसको डिवाइड करना है. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, सर्कमफ्रेंस 1 अपॉन सर्कमफ्रेंस 2 इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू पाई इंटू R1 upon 2 into pi into r2. So circumference 1 upon circumference 2 equals to 2 into pi into r1. Here r1 is to r2 is given 3 is to 5. So 3x then 2 into pi into 5x. Clear? So now c1 upon c2 equals to this 2 get cancelled, pi and pi get cancelled, x and x get cancelled. So 3 upon 5. So the ratio of circumference is 3 is to 5. So like this you have to solve. Then one more question, 22. Circumferences of two circles are in ratio 5 is to 7. तो सर्कमफ्रेंसेस का रेशियो दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। वहाँ पे फिर निकालना क्या है, रेडियस का निकालना है। तो ये सर्कमफ्रेंसेस की वैल्यू यहाँ पे आप पुट कर दोगे, 2 पाई वैसे ही कैंसिल होगा, r1 r2 को एज इट इज़ r1 r2 लेना देना, क्योंकि उनको ही फाइंड करना है। क्लियर? तो बहुत ईजी क्वेश्चन है ये। अगर आपको रेडियस की वैल्यू पता होगी तो आपको r1 r2 में रखना है रेशियो में, और c1 c2 निकलेगा। और अगर आपको सर्कमफ्रेंसेस की वैल्यू गिवन है रेशियो में, तब आपको c1 c2 रखना है और r1 r2 निकालना होगा। क्वेश्चन का लास्ट आप रीड करेंगे, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 में गिवन है, फाइंड द रेशियो बिटवीन देयर रेडियाई, तो r1 is to r2 निकालना है। क्लियर? देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 स्क्वायर्स का है, 23 24 स्क्वायर्स का है, सेम ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है। 23 में बता देता हूँ। 23 क्या होगा, पेरीमीटर सेम ऐसे ही लिखना है आपको, पेरीमीटर ऑफ फर्स्ट स्क्वायर। सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ फर्स्ट स्क्वायर इज 4 इंटू साइड, then perimeter of second square is 4 into side. So now we will divide. So perimeter 1 perimeter 2 equals to 4 into side upon 4 into side. So now in this question 23 perimeter is given, find the ratios between length of their sides. So let perimeter is actually given 8 upon 15, then 4 into, let this side is a1 and let this side is a2. So this 4 and 4 get cancelled. Finally we are getting answer a1 upon a2 equals to 8 by 15. a1 upon a2 equals to 8 by 15. This a1 is a length or side of first square, a2 is a length or side of second square. So 8 upon 15. So a1 is to a2 equals to 8 is to 15. This is your required answer. So 28 is over now. If you are having any doubt, do message.